Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Zebra Report. This week I'm on site in one of my properties that I've just done a renovation on. And this really makes me think about our upcoming class that we've got on trends. And I have to tell you that the building industry, the design industry, the renovation and remodel industry is changing. And there are so many changes, and I'm so excited for my upcoming class because I'm going to talk about architectural trends. I'm going to talk about design trends, color trends, paint trends, cabinet trends. For example, I am in a kitchen renovation right now, and I just want to show you something. And you'll notice that one of the biggest trends right now has to do with adding shelves in a kitchen. Also, if you notice, the cabinets are actually not white, they're linen. And linen is one of the hottest things ever right now. Also black, anything black, black handles of any kind. Also having really clean, strong glass, large tiles, linear, that really nice rectangular feel. And the thing that you need to know is that it's not just about staying on trend. It's about creating something that clients are going to love. And if clients are doing a renovation, they're going to ask you your opinion. And it's good if you know what the trends are. So I invite you to come to my class. I cannot wait to share everything. Also, how to save money, how to do a renovation and to do it on a shoestring budget. Because the reality is, as inventory gets tighter, what that means is that, sorry for all the crashing around, we're in a bit of a construction zone here. But at any rate, just remember that your clients are going to ask you for advice, and they're going to want to know this from you. They're going to want to know trends and colors. The other thing that's really interesting is that there are some really incredible new products out there, specifically new countertop product, new flooring product. The way that floors are engineered today is absolutely, it's mind-boggling. The amount of money you can save, the transformations that you can make. I always say that flooring and paint, if I had two things that I had to take to a desert island with me to renovate, it would be give me some gallons of paint and give me some flooring. And the trends in flooring are incredible. Also, getting away from really dark, heavy tones. Also getting away from just everything white. And I know that we've gone through this really incredible modern phase, and now we're moving into a phase where it's a little bit more modern, traditional. And modern traditional are a little bit warmer colors, a little bit richer textures, a little bit more texture. So I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to show you all kinds of visuals. I'm so excited to share it with you, but you'll also notice, even for me, I am a black and white girl. I love black and I love white, but on this remodel, I chose to do linen for the cabinets because linen is what people want. Everybody loves linen. They love linen so much. So that's why, sorry about this. I just wanted you to have a look, but they love the linen cabinet. So, not just white anymore. So again, knowing what those things are really going to give you the edge. So welcome you to my class. Hope you can make it. And I can't wait to share what's going on out there. Take care. Bye-bye.